The 7 sectors, the priority sectors that Mekong Korea Cooperation Fund supports basically in engaging development projects that are of regional in nature and are innovative in nature. We try to see that there are institutional collaboration with the Republic of Korea, alliance in terms of technology transfer and also expertise. This will build and enhance the sub-regional cooperation with the Republic of Korea.
We are acting as a knowledge hub for those projects supported from the Mekong Korea Collaboration Fund. Firstly, we are acting as technical advisor to ensure the quality of the project. And secondly, we are planning to provide capacity building program to those project implementing agencies based on those needs. And thirdly, there will be the milestone events such as Mekong Korea International Water Forum. That one is the opportunity to widen your professional network and at the same time share progress and also promote achievement.
Facilitating the dialogue with all levels of the governmental offices and also facilitating the technical connections, putting all the PIAs together with the relevant technical support. I'm also expecting follow-up workshops throughout the project timeline to help reinforce these interventions.